Minnie Mouse Party Decoration Ideas. Easy and fun recipes. Hello, dear viewers! Today I'm going to share some fantastic decoration ideas for a Minnie Mouse themed party. Minnie Mouse will add a touch of charm and fun to your party atmosphere. So let's get started. Party table decoration. Firstly, let's transform your party table into a Minnie Mouse themed feast. You can opt for a theme dominated by black and pink colors. Decorate your table with Minnie Mouse plates, cups, and napkins. You can add extra elegance to your table with Minnie Mouse balloons and figurines. Minnie Mouse Birthday Cake. You can add a personal touch to your party with do-it-yourself DIY decorations. Make Minnie Mouse ears and bows from cardboard or colored paper to create a wall decoration. Additionally, you can use Minnie Mouse-themed balloons or wall stickers representing her face. Minnie Mouse Photo Corner. Create a photo corner to capture unforgettable memories from your party. Prepare a backdrop with a large Minnie Mouse cardboard figure and balloons. Your guests can use Minnie Mouse ears and other accessories while taking photos. These are some fantastic decoration ideas for a Minnie Mouse-themed party. By implementing these ideas, you can host a memorable event. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Have a great time!